fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing and hitting the bell next to it. Make a ding so you won't miss a thing, okay? So today, God has been good to us. I am celebrating my anniversary. I've been a member of AL, for Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, for a year. So this is my 1-year anniversary. And to celebrate, I got a bag, okay? I got a purse. And God has been good to us, okay? So I'm going to do this vlog style where I take you with me so we can experience the Louis Vuitton in-store experience. And I'm going to unbox it with you. So here we go. All the pretty purses that I'm dodging. I'm waiting on my sales agent. I'm so excited.
I had actually put in a reservation for you, and I found a wallet that is only one.
That's one. And the boo boo. Oh, her name's Christina. Hi. Honey, I had an appointment, honey. The others have to wait. So, honey, I'm chilling at the Louis Vuitton store. Okay, darling. Waiting on my bag to be properly wrapped for the queen. Fits for this queen, okay? Baby, look at the luggage. This was my other option right here, and I did not get it. I like mine better. I love this one right there, the black one. But that side, I want one. Oh, what's that? What's that? Now, before I unbox the purse, I have something else. I got a fragrance, darlings, and it is called California Dreams. Oh my goodness. So I've been kind of wearing this fragrance. They've been sending me samples and giving me samples if I'm in the mall. Shout out to Green Hills Mall, the Louis Vuitton there. They are so amazing and gracious. Anyway, yes. So let's unbox this. It comes out the box like so. Shake, shake, shake. It comes in this canister like this. California Dreams. And I got this one because my ambitions is to move to California. So this will be a reminder as I wear it and look at it and things like, yes, Christina, keep moving forward. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, remember you got California dreams to be a resident and experience the great life of California. So here we go. Let's pop the top. And what I do, I like to spray my fragrances in the container so I can remember what it smells like. But yes, it comes in this ombre blue and pink container. So pretty. Now, if you don't like grapefruit, and we'll get into the notes in a future video, but if you do not like grapefruit, baby, stay away. Woo! But the way it marries on my body and my body chemistry, it agrees. My body loves a fruity note. So I had to, I had dated it. So now we married. We kind of acquainted or whatever. So I like this perfume. And I highly recommend it. You can also get it on LouisVuitton.com whenever. But if you want it right now and you want to get it engraved, you can get some initials or whatever engraved. You go to your local Louis Vuitton and they'll do that complimentary. But it's a good fragrance. I really do like it. And I've had about 3 samples before I just ran off and purchased the perfume. So this is really good. Okay, y'all. The moment we all been waiting for. It came in this big old bag. Like so. So, let me take it out the bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Are y'all excited? But yes, I want to acknowledge the Green Hills Louis Vuitton store in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm a Tennessee chick. But anywho, yes, my client advisor's name was Christina as well. How ironic was that? Just crazy, but she was so sweet. The whole store was so sweet, as you could tell. They were so happy for me and cheered me on and made sure I had the most memorable experience. Pleasant, polite, I mean, catered to the queen as they should. But it so let's unbox. Ooh, ooh. Take it off and light a candle. Yes, okay. Bloop. Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, lay her flat like this. You know, it's kind of like a magnetic box. Yeah. Bloop. Let's open her up. Okay, so it comes in this dust bag like so. Bloop. Bloop. Oh my goodness, here she is. Ta-da! Yes, this is the Sunset Kaki on the go MM. Look, I remembered it, okay? So on the go is gonna be like that square shape. They also have the classic Neverfull, okay, in this design in the Sunset Kaki. So just check out LouisVuitton.com or go to your local store if it's shown sold out, because they might have it in the store. But anywho, yes, here she is. Yes, you see that ombre? It fades from that green, got little salmon pink details, and it fades into the white. So beautiful. Same thing. So pretty. Green fades into that pink. On the feet, same thing. Fades from the green to the pink. And yes, this is the perfect anniversary gift. Yes, I am just so happy and delighted about this. God has been good. I am so humbled to be a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, Kamala's soror. You know, Madam Vice President is a prestigious member of the organization, so shout out to her. But yes, so beautiful, and it's not too big, it's not too small. Okay. Yeah, because I know sometimes the on-the-goes can really be like a carry-on bag. I needed a purse, not a carry-on bag. So, I'm speechless. And I just had to run out and go get it, okay? Y'all, that's my newest baby. Again, this is the Sunset Kaki from Louis Vuitton. So, if you are wanting the same bag, sorors, okay? That's what it's called at Louis Vuitton. This is the on-the-go MM size. So I am extremely happy and grateful. Just so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I'm so glad I can share this with you. Did you catch, you know, I'm trying to wear branding colors, kind of swag it up a bit. And wear that Louis Vuitton like bronze or tan or whatever. So yeah, I'm so glad that I could complete this unboxing. In life, we deserve to treat ourselves. So yeah, don't feel bad. I don't do this in a braggadocious way. I give all credit and glory to God. This is not an everyday thing. But I'm so happy I can share this with you. And always remember that confidence is a lifestyle. And don't you dare walk out the door without it. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.